the jobs are in West Central Ohio. We know that. That's what manufacturers are telling us, that's what the medical folks are telling us.
There's still enormous opportunities for people in the world of manufacturing. The world of manufacturing has changed. It's not your grandfather's or your father's industry anymore.
In today's global economy, our region's growth and future success depends on a well-prepared workforce with a strong knowledge base in science, technology, engineering, and math. Known as STEM.
What we call STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, are the backbone of the manufacturing community. And certainly you have to go to college to be an engineer, to get a mechanical engineering degree. But that's not the only career.
I think that people are understanding that the skilled trades has a place on par with the four-year degree with this, without the heavy costs associated with going to college. Most of your trade programs, your union apprenticeship programs, are partnered with a local community college where you get continuing education units.
Here at Rhodes, we work with the high schools through something called post-secondary education option, and we're involved with over 600 students this year. And we're really encouraging programs at high schools and the relationship with the college in terms of the science bases, the STEM programming, Project Lead the Way, the tech prep programs, and how do we give students exposure to those career fields so that they can make choices as they progress in their college experience.
Much of what we're hearing now is that manufacturers are looking for technical skilled people in areas of machining, particularly computer numerical control programmers, operators, welders, industrial maintenance people, machinists. And all of these areas have STEM concepts in them.
What do you want to do when you get done with high school? We start talking about different careers that they want to be involved in. And I say, nearly every single employment opportunity that you see that's coming up in the 21st century is going to involve STEM in one way or another.
We're actually sitting right now inside a clean room. This is a modern day manufacturing facility. It's nicely temperature controlled. We work with some of the latest and greatest technologies. But to work in this industry now, you have to have a little bit better education than once understood. You need to have the science, you need to have this understanding of technologies, you need to understand mathematics and engineering. Just learning one skill set isn't going to be sufficient.
The jobs of tomorrow are here today. In order to take advantage of these opportunities, we need to not only educate, but engage and excite students about the many career choices available to those with a STEM education.
One of the most important groups to help influence this needed change for STEM education are the teachers in the schools. And both the timing and those activities that they put together to help stimulate and capture the interest and excitement of a student who has that natural curiosity as they're building something.
To teach students to work in a team environment, they have to teach students the practicality of what they're learning, the ability to have internships or collaborate with local industries to show the students the importance for the science or the mathematics that they're learning, but to be able to apply it to some real-world situations.
Through a grant from the National Science Foundation, Perry High School partnered with Husky Lima Refinery to help the students understand the importance of STEM with the vast career opportunities, from working as a skilled laborer to becoming an engineer. This partnership enabled the students to visit the refinery, Husky employees to participate in classroom presentations, and students to create a career presentation for Husky employees.
The experience of taking students to Husky, I've had several of them say, oh, I didn't know about that career, or I didn't know that that was a possibility.
Oh, I've been to Husky and I did this and this with this program, and I can tell the people about it.
Everybody thinks science, you're in the lab making chemicals and stuff, but it's so much more than that.
It really is a good program. You can really learn stuff off of it instead of just saying, no, it's just some silly science stuff. It really is serious, and it really can help you in life.
Try to get it out there that education, this isn't just the end of your education. You don't graduate high school and it's all done, I'm done learning for the rest of my career. That is just the start.
The future of Lima, Allen County depends on our ability to nurture and inspire our local students to achieve all that is possible right here in our own community. A strong partnership between our area manufacturers, educators, and community leaders today will ensure a robust and vibrant tomorrow.
I think the set of skills necessary to go on and do great things now definitely starts at the elementary school to middle school level. And I think for students that are interested in a STEM career, for teachers or community members or parents to even recognize that as early as possible and to provide more opportunities for that student to explore and grow in those areas is essential for students to do well in those areas.
The other part of, I think, our operations is getting out to the educational institutions and letting them know what manufacturing today is like, starting out even through the K through 12. And getting that word out and then extending that into the vocational school arena as well, where they have that opportunity to maybe come in a facility and see what manufacturing is like, or we go to them and let them know what we're about, and to get rid of that old stigma that's still hanging out there.
We want the best minds that our school systems have to come work for us. So we want them to realize that, hey, there's a great opportunity here to come work at American Trim, or whether it be at P&G or at Husky Refinery or at the Ford engine plant. There's great opportunities right here in Lima.
The manufacturers need to relate directly to the local educators what they need, because it shouldn't be about what we can do and they can do. It should be about what do we need to do to train our workforce to produce and keep these jobs right here in West Central Ohio.
The partnership between the Lima-Allen County Chamber of Commerce and the Allen Economic Development Group is striving to create a credentialed workforce through STEM. We want to encourage you, the educators, to be aware of the local career opportunities at every educational level and to utilize the first-hand experiences for your students from all manufacturers in our area. Some of the opportunities available include tours of local companies, collaboration on classroom projects related to STEM, hands-on career fairs, job shadowing internship opportunities, and classroom speakers on different careers and school subjects.
We have great collaboration within this community, and it's time now to start taking action. I think we have all the data that we need. We know where we want to go. We know what the gap is, and we know how to do it. So now we need to just take action, make some plans through the Economic Development Group and the Chamber of Commerce in partnership with the businesses and the education system to start putting plans in place to get this information out there, educate our children, so every year as a new group of kids graduate from high school, they're as well informed as possible as to what career opportunities are out there for them, what works best for them, be it a 4-year college degree or a technical associate's degree or just some certificates of technical expertise. And it's all around the job opportunities that we have in the community. So I think now is time to let's start working.